Okay, I'll just do a quick example here on reduction scale factor involving area. You might not be able to see this on the screen, but they're actually two smiley faces. Right, okay, so how are we going to deal with this? Well, again, it's saying they're similar, which brings in the mathematics we're about to use. We need the shapes to be similar to apply this. And again, first thing we need to work out is it a reduction or is it an enlargement? Well, we can clearly see here, we've got the bigger area, we want the smaller area, so that's a reduction. So it's a reduction scale factor. Okay, again, building on what we've done already, it's small over big when you're looking for the reduction scale factor, and it's a like side. So in this example, we're dealing with the diameter of the circle. Small over big, 4 over 10. We can simplify that. We don't necessarily need to if we're working with a calculator. We can just work with 4 over 10, but I will simplify it down, and I'm going to square that because it's an area. So I'm going to simplify the inside of the bracket to 2 over 5. Like I said, we don't really need to worry about that too much because chances are we'll have a calculator to work through to get the answer. Obviously, if you don't have a calculator, then you do want to simplify your fraction because that makes it a lot easier for you. Okay, so again, just remember to square the reduction scale factor because it's an area we're dealing with here. Okay then, and we can now work to find the smaller area. So smaller area we'll be looking for reduction scale factor, 2 over 5 squared times, and the bigger area is 40. Right, okay then, so let's just think this in the calculator and see what it comes up with. Again, if you've got the fractions button in your calculator, use that, 2 over 5, square that fraction, multiply it by 40, you'll get the correct answer. If you don't have a calculator with a decent enough fractions button, then you can write 2/5, 2 over 5 is 2 divided by 5. Get your answer equals 0.4. Squaring that, we get 0.16 and then multiplying that by 40. Okay, so we get 6.4 and we're dealing in centimetres again, so it's centimetres squared. And again, it ties in with the diagram. We would expect the smaller smiley face to have a smaller area than the bigger one. So again, the maths ties in with the shapes.